Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off auto action after we stop using our pointer on our screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to settings. In settings we have accessibility, then interaction and dexterity, and when we scroll a little bit down we have our auto action after pointer stops. So we have quite a few options that we can change here. As you can see, we can also set up our delay if we need, but we are interested in turning this option off. So that's all. No need to save anything. We can safely go back to our home screen. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.